How to add yourself on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about whether it is possible to add yourself on your Snapchat account or not. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and it's updated to its latest version as well. Go ahead and launch the application. Then tap on the search bar in the top left corner of the screen. If you go to the search bar and type in your own Snapchat username, you should see your username appear over there. And you will see the tap add button next to your username. And if you want to send messages to your own account, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, simply go ahead and search for your username. Go ahead and search for your name in the new chat. In the search box, scroll down and tap on your name and then tap on chat. And you will be taken to the conversation page. Here you can chat, send messages, or send snaps, videos, photos, whatever you want, and you can also share location. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.